Hi everybody, it's Friday about noon, and in this very brief video I'd like to summarize the results of the second learning module as I see them. I have just finished reading your reflection post for the second module. I think we're making excellent progress in this class overall. A couple of things that I noticed in your reflection posts and in other posts these past 2 weeks is that we're moving slowly but surely towards a more complicated and a richer understanding of the field of professional writing than we had in the beginning. I think that's a very positive development for all of us. And while I do not want to simply say that you knowing that or understanding that professional writing is defined through activities and processes and context rather than just through the products is all I'm looking for. I think it's an important realization that I think the readings have helped us to achieve so far. And so I'd like to congratulate you on this and just say that I've been really impressed with the posts and the quality of them. And I realize that after 4 weeks of posting nonstop, it may get a little old, but doing it this way in the beginning of the semester will allow us to have a solid theoretical base on which we can build later on when we get down to the practical projects of this course. I also saw a couple of you saying in your post that you felt like most of the stuff so far is dealt with theory and not teaching, and that's by design. Again, the purpose of the second module the last 2 weeks has been to give us enough theoretical understanding, a theoretical base, which will allow us next week to jump into the more teaching, more pedagogical, more practical questions, which again we'll begin doing next week. Finally, I am almost in the position to tell you more about your clients. I'm meeting with a couple of them early next week, Monday and Tuesday, to finalize some details. And as soon as that is done, I will post descriptions of the client projects which we have been able to secure for you. And then we'll begin the process of kind of familiarizing ourselves with the projects and asking questions, and maybe at some point in February we can set up either face-to-face or phone conversations, including teams, writing teams, myself, the clients, so we can begin planning for the project. The actual project itself will not start until early March, but I'd like to spend at least a portion of February planning so that we have the chance to hit the ground running in March when we begin the actual project. So again, as soon as I have all the details, I promise to let you know, and we'll begin forming writing teams and meeting with clients and discussing things with them. So stay tuned. Thank you all very much. This was a very productive week and a very productive learning module, and I look forward to continuing to work with you on the next module, which again will be more practical and more pedagogically grounded than this one has been. As always, you're welcome to go back to your discussion posts and keep adding comments, keep adding questions. If something new comes up, keep making connections between new posts and old posts. I also really appreciate the connections that people who are in my proposal writing class in the summer are making with this class. That's really demonstrating to me that you're seeing connections between different sub-aspects of the field. So keep up the good work. If you have any questions about deadlines, points, grades, anything like that, please email me either inside Canvas or use my email. I will answer them as soon as I can. Thanks again, and have a great weekend.